When you hear Anglo-Saxon, do you picture savage warriors in battle? That's partly true, but there's more, much more. What's in a name? The term Anglo-Saxon originally described two tribes, Angles, the Saxons, who sailed from the Baltic to conquer Britain. The map shows from where the Jutes, the Angles and the Saxons came to the British mainland. The word Angle may come from angle meaning hook, possibly because they were fishermen. More probably because of the hook-shaped coast where they lived at the foot of peninsula of Jutland. The Angles were so dominant they gave their name to the land. Anglo-Lond, Engla-Lond, and finally England. By the time of King Alfred, people still called themselves English. The term Anglo-Saxon wasn't used natively. It was Latin historians and later scholars who gave us the label. Sure, their life was rough, dark forests, wild beasts, stormy seas, but these were not mindless raiders. They were a people of dreams, honor, and deep emotion. They loved the sea, heard its call, and answered it with poetry. Beowulf alone uses 15 different names for the sea, from Swandred to Whale Path. That's more than just fear, it's reverence. They weren't just warriors, these were people of feeling, faith, and fierce love of home. Victory was about glory, about being remembered, not for fighting, but for fighting well. After battle, they celebrated with poetry and song. The scope, the tribal poet was more important than any fighter. Songs gave their stories life. While other cultures built monuments, the Anglo-Saxons built poems. At the heart of their poetry were 5 great ideals: freedom, nature, religion, reverence for women, and glory and remembrance. Just read their lines and you'll feel the spirit. Not savages, poets, not plunderers, people, and from their yearning for praise, Anglo-Saxon literature was born. Those same people brought with them the first English speech. Pause the video and read this early record of battle. Say it out loud. It's different, but still familiar. That's because it's part of your own language. Our language is like an oak, strong from its Anglo-Saxon roots, rich from every influence since. This is the legacy of Anglo-Saxon life, not just the sword, but the soul, not just the fight, but the feeling that shaped English literature forever. Hope you learned something new. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel for more easy to understand explanations.